Hey, what's up? It's Marcel here from Parakeeto, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to work through the agency project profitability reporting template, which is going to help you get a sense of what the different levels of revenue earning efficiency for your projects are across all your projects and help you facilitate important meetings with your team to course correct projects that might be going off the rails and also extract opportunities for process improvement. So we have the instructions tab here. Feel free to read through that. But since you're watching this video, I'll take you into the meat. Whenever you're setting up a project for the first time, what you're really going to want to do is come in here and enter the name of the project, the gross revenue. So this is the total amount of money that the client is paying you. And then you're going to want to enter the budget for cost of goods sold. So think about cost of goods sold as anything that's going to a vendor that is outside of the agency, money that you are not responsible for earning through the time that you spend on the project. So this would be things like ad spend, external contractors, print budgets, equipment rental, video camera rental, stock footage, etc. So you want to put that budget in here, and then you want to go ahead and enter the hours budget for this project. So the total amount of hours that you plan to work on this project. Any of the cells here that are gray, we're going to be calculating things for you in there, so you don't have to worry about filling that out. We'll take care of that for you. So what's essentially going to happen here is we are then going to go ahead and calculate this information for you. And when you're ready, what you can do is run this report. And so when it's time for you to run this report, what you're going to want to come in and update is, did you spend, or are you now projected to spend more on cost of goods sold or less than you had planned? So if the number here changes, then you want to enter that new number in the actuals field. If not, just copy the budget over into the actuals field. And then you're going to want to enter the hours that you've used so far and the percentage that the project has been completed to this point in time when you're running the report. So let's say we're, 2 months into this project, we've used 250 hours and we think it's about 40% complete. We enter that information in. And then what we're going to calculate for you is the projected hours that it's going to take to complete this project using a simple cost performance indexing formula. We're going to show you what the planned average billable rate was for this project based on the original plan, and then what the forecasted average billable rate looks like it's going to turn out to be if things continue on the path that they're on now, and what that variance is from the original plan. And so this is going to help you identify projects that are going better or worse than planned, or once they're completed, being able to see like what was the real gap here in efficiency. You're also going to be able to benchmark projects and different types of work against each other. And then you'll be able to take this to the team and say, why is this project going so well? Is there anything here that's going particularly well or different that we want to replicate? And why is this project not going the way we planned? What did we miss? What might be happening here that's causing us to, not be executing at the level that we thought we were going to on this project, and extract opportunities for process improvement from this document. Whenever you've completed a project and you want to clean this space up, we've got also another tab here where you can just copy and paste that information over so that you have a record of all the projects that you've done. You can go back in and analyze that data later on. But that's basically the gist of it. You're going to want to input information into any of the fields that are not grayed out, and then we will take care of calculating the rest for you. I hope that this is handy. If it is, make sure you check out our tool, Parakeeto Estimates, which will help you get some of this information together when you're scoping new work and make it more accurate over time. And with that, thanks for tuning into the Toolkit. I hope you enjoy the rest of the resources in here, and I'll talk to you soon.